Hello viewers, this is part two of the shortcut ways in doing mathematics. This is part 2 of the shortcut ways in doing mathematics. We have already solved question number 4 to question number 6a. We are going to part 2 in which we are continuing with question number 6b. This is question number 6b. For your information, I am not that intelligent. I just stayed with this problem longer than other human beings. Hence, now I have become genius in them. So, for the learners, it is important to practice maths for the positive results in others related subject, especially sciences. Goodbye. Now for question number 6b, we find the values of the unknown x plus y. X plus y is equal to 17. X times y minus 5x is equal to 32. We say solution. Here we say solution. Because y appears least in the two equations, because from the two equations y appears least, then it should be the subject. Hence we say y is equal to 17 minus x. Y is equal to 17 minus x. Therefore, substitute y in the second equation, which will give us, we say y, the second equation. So if y is equal to 17 minus x, we are going to substitute it. We are going to substitute y in the second, this equation. Hence we say x is the same as 17 minus x, because this is the second equation, which states that xy is minus 5x is equal to 32. Then we say our x is but our y is 17 minus x. Then this we minus by 5x is equal to 32. Hence say that here we are going to multiply x times 17 minus x times x. This one will give us 17x minus x squared minus 5x is equal to 32. The equation is in quadratic form, hence it should be in the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, we say that negative x squared plus 17 minus 5x is equal to 32. But according to the quadratic equation rules, a cannot be negative. Hence, we multiply through by negative 1, which will be negative 1 into brackets negative x squared plus 17x minus 5x is equal to 32 into brackets. Hence we say that we are going to further say that x squared plus 17x plus 17x, this is 17x minus 5x is equal to negative 32. Is equal to negative 32. Therefore, say x squared minus 12x plus 32 is equal to 0. Use the quadratic formula. Note that this is the best formula among all for solving quadratic equation. The quadratic formula is the best among all while solving quadratic equation. We say negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 2 minus 4ac all over 2a, where a is not equal to 0. Where a is not equal to 0. This will further give us negative 12, because our p is 12, negative 12. Then say negative 12 plus minus the square root of negative 12 squared. We can say negative 12 squared or positive 12, because b is positive. We say, because if even after multiply you get the same answer, then we say negative 12 plus minus the square root of 12 squared minus 4 times 1 times 32, all under square root. Then all we are going to divide by 2 times 1. This will further give us negative 12 plus minus the square root of 12 squared minus 4 times 1 times 32 all over 2. This will further give us negative 12 plus minus the square root of 144 minus 128, which will further give us, negative 12 plus minus the square root of 16, because if you minus 144 minus 128 we get 16. Hence we are going to get, here we are going to get the square root of 16 is 4. Hence negative 12 plus minus 4. Negative 12 plus 4 is the same as negative 4. The same as negative 4. And negative 12 minus 4 is the same as, not really. Remember, it is, we have divided it by 2. All is divided by 2 here. Therefore, negative 12 plus 4 divided by 2, and negative 12 plus 4 divided by 2. Hence, we say that say -8. This is -12 plus 4 is -8. This one is -8 divided by 2. All divided by 2. All is divided by 2. And -12 plus 4 is -8. And -12 minus 4, this one is -16. -16. If we divide by 2, we get -8. Therefore, our final answer is x can be -4 or -8. X can be -4 or -8. We are in question number 4E. Question number 4E states that work out 2/4 plus 3/5. This will give us, because we are using the shortest method, we are going to cross multiply. We multiply 4 times 3 plus 2 times 5. Hence, our solution is 4 times 3 into brackets plus 2 times 5 all over 4 times 5. This will give us 22 over 20. 12 plus 10 is 22. Over 5 times this is over 20, which is the same as 1 over 10. This is our answer. Question 4F says simplify 9x squared minus 4a squared. Now, this is difference of two squares. Then we say 9x squared is the same as solution. This is the same as 3x squared minus 9x squared is the same as 3x squared minus 4x squared is the same as 4a squared is the same as 2a squared. 2x into brackets squared. 2a 9x squared is the same as 3x to brackets squared, and 2a is the same as 2a squared is the same as 4ax squared. Hence, we are going to say that this will give us 3x minus 2a into brackets minus 3x plus 2a. This is the required answer. This is the required answer. Now, question number 4G. Please try working question number 4D. Try working question number 4D. We are in question number 4. Question number 4H. Try working number 4G. Then contact me on my WhatsApp number. After getting the answer, contact on my WhatsApp number 0770 48 22 10 or 0707 526372. again plus 254 if you are outside our borders. Now question number 4H. State that x minus 4a to bracket squared. This one will give us, this is the same as you multiply, say, x squared minus 2x squared, then minus 2a times x plus a squared plus a squared. Therefore, x minus 2 to bracket squared is the same as x squared minus 2ax plus a squared. In short, you say you square x, then you minus 2 begins 2 times a times x, then you add, then plus x squared. We are going to question number 6C. Question number 6C states that divide without using multiplication knowledge. Here, divide using multiplication knowledge. Here we are going to without using multiplication knowledge. Okay. Here we say 21 divided by 7 is the same as, we say, solution 21 divided by 7 is the same as 21 minus 7, which is the same as 4, then which is the same as 14, then we say 14 minus 7 is the same as 7, then we say 7 minus 7, here we get 0. Therefore, we are going to count the number of processes 1, 2, 3. Therefore, we say 21 divided by 7 is the same as 3. We have counted the number of processes here, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, 21 divided by 7 is 3. We are going to question number 6D. Say that 23 divided by 2. 23 divided by 2. This will give us, for this, please use this method. Kindly use this method, then after finishing by using this method, try to contact me to make sure that if your answer is correct, try to contact me. I would like also to introduce to you some, I do sell these books. You can just request your order. I sell these books. This is a composition book and Swahili Insha book. So we have got several compositions within, including speech, letter writing, and many other short stories. We have short stories, as you can see. These are composition and Insha books. I would like my viewers to share this video once you come across them. Share the video because they are of very much benefits for our kids. Let us meet other day. Thank you for your time.